very light. Alright. So like I was saying, hey guys, it's Andre and I'm going to a pool party. Okay, sorry guys. I couldn't do it today. I was supposed to be doing Madden today. What? No, put your tennis on and go to the store.
My tennis up there.
Hey,
Go get my slippers, please.
I don't know what he
Hey,
is.
right inside in the room when you open the closet. Please.
Dad said, "Come inside." He don't want me to be doing that. He want.
I need my phone. Go get my phone.
From who?
If I come inside, I'm not going back to the store. That's right. Go get my phone. Maybe just go get my phone. Then. Oh, go blow your nose and get my phone. Here. Grab me the tissue. Here. Andre. You like that on your shirt? Here.
It's in
Bring
the.
that to the party. Don't get dirty. Yeah.
What's wrong?
I'm going to get him. Go get my phone from Barry.
Look at this.
I need my phone.
I've always wanted to be a hero. No, that's just. I wish like my daddy could set the grill on fire. I could have me a fire. My daddy said, my mama said right upstairs.
Tell her Cole order the shoes like that. You got time to keep going back and forth.
Based on 1516 for $1,000.
Oh,
Restrictions
get the
apply.
key.
Negative trade balance carries into law. Offers not in combination. Expires end of month.
Bring her key and tell her go order the shoes on, Andre. Don't keep going back and forth. The shoes.
Alright, I'm sorry. Guys, my family is crazy. So I'm going to a pool party. Oh, get my goggles up there. So yeah. I'll see you guys later and I'll show you what the pool party looks like. Bye.